Welcome back to my Mix of the channel, and today we're going to prepare some Blue Mountain refreshing cocktail. If you've never been to Blue Mountain, anyway, it's all the way in the Caribbean, it's in Jamaica. I mean, it's called Blue Mountain. So we're going to start, okay? What we're going to start with right here, right now. You know, remember we have the COVID is going on, so if you're making cocktail at bars or bartender, you gotta use your gloves, you gotta use a tap. At home, right now, you can just put it in the glass just like this. Okay? See that? Cube of ice, 2 cubes of ice, just like this in the glass. I mean, my ice are so big they cannot hold inside the glass, but let's see what happens. What you do, just reel it down just like this, and you can get it. Keep spinning it. See that? Kids, don't try this at home, alright? Just at your friend's house, alright? Okay, you can rest right here on the top. It's going to go down. And what we're going to do right here, right now, we're going to get our triple set. We're going to put half ounces of triple set inside. Just like this. It's just pour over ice. 4 glasses. Half ounce of blue carousel right inside, just like this, in the glass. This looks like style, right? Beautiful, right? The ice don't want to go inside, right? That's what happened in the Blue Mountain. You see that? That's magic right there. Okay, and then we're going to go right here, right now, we're going to put our gin. As I said, nice refreshing, our gin. We put 1 ounce of gin. Just like this. Okay. And then we're just gonna top it off right here, right now, with our Sprite. Okay? And you know why this one we don't put any garnish on it. Normally we put garnish on all our drink, but you know, sometimes the garnish hide the beauty of the Blue Mountain. So you don't want it to hide the beauty of the Blue Mountain. You're going to leave it nice and sexy just like this to see the Blue Mountain nice, sparkling. Thank you for visiting on my channel. Please follow me on Mix of the 640. I'm out. Catch you next time.